Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to hide photo on Facebook. So simply open your Facebook, click on to menu option. This method will be work any Android and iOS device. Click on settings and privacy. Click on settings, scroll down, then you get activity lock. Just tap on this. Okay, click on your Facebook activity, select post option. Okay, then showing it to your all post. Press on filter, select all category, your post, photo and video. Okay, and select all. Okay, or if you want to select one by one, press on three dot, change to audience. Okay, and you just select only me. When you select only me, then hide your post from Facebook timeline. That's it.